Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we are opening a Hot Wheels 50 pack. Now this isn't a new 50 pack, it's actually what I'm going to call vintage. If we take a look at the back of this box, you can see here it's got Mattel 2014. So this box here is a little bit old, but when I saw it, I had to get it because it's got a pretty cool car in it. The 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Not to say the other cars in this pack aren't cool either, because even just on the front there's a whole lot of really awesome cars. Even that '09 Corvette is pretty cool there as well. I cannot wait to get my hands on that one. But I think definitely that Chevy Bel Air is going to be the highlight of this Hot Wheels 50 pack. So yeah, a 2014 50 pack. We're going to open it up and check out what is inside. All right, let's get straight into this 2014 50 pack. You can see it is sealed, has not been opened. Was so lucky to find this one. So excited actually to get this 50 pack. Look at these awesome cars. Let's get this open. Go. They're all going to fall all over the place. I can feel it. Okay, let's take a look at the first three. Got that off-duty in the Hot Wheels Off-Road series. It's almost like Too Tough, the new casting Too Tough, but this off-duty is the older version. Looks pretty cool. I like this one. Those big, huge wheels. Got that circle trucker. Oh, that's pretty cool. And in the Hot Wheels race team as well, that means it's really nicely colored. That blue color is pretty cool on this car. And you can see here, Tomb Up from the Hot Wheels City series. And don't forget that is, oh look, these ones even say 2013 on the back. Have a look at this one. 2013. So the case itself says 2014. The cars are saying 2013. So I'm guessing it is a 2014 series cars. Maximum Leeway. Pretty cool looking fantasy. High Voltage. Oh, that's cool. It's like a chrome, like almost like the Chrome series, but it's in the Hot Wheels race series there. And we've got Bulletproof. This is cool. Look at it. It's like translucent. You can see right in, and those wheels are awesome. Huge orange wheels on this one. That's really nice. Let's check out these next three. So there's that '09 Corvette Zr1. Oh, that is really nice. I cannot wait to get that one on the track. It's going to look so cool. Got an Aston Martin. Correct me. I always say Austin, but we know it's Aston. 1963 DB5 Hot Wheels Workshop series. Pretty cool. And the last one here is that Datsun 240Z in the Hot Wheels Workshop series. That's a pretty cool looking car, and I think that one is going to perform really well on the track, and it's a really like race car looking one. It's super awesome. I like that one. All right, now probably the best one off the front of the pack is that 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Take a look at it. It's from Heat Fleet, the Hot Wheels Workshop series. Man, this car is awesome. Really popular casting, and this version is extremely popular as well. So that's why I pretty much bought the whole pack, was for this Chevy Bel Air Gasser. You can see Velociter. Actually, I like this fantasy car. I don't like too many fantasy models, but this one is actually not bad, and it's in the Hot Wheels race series. It's a pretty cool one. And we've got 16 Angels. Now this one comes with a lot of track sets, so I've already got a few of this casting, but yeah, it's all right. Add it to the collection. All right, let's get this junk out of the way. So you notice that they're all short cards as well. Most times you get these Hot Wheels 50 packs in these big boxes, they're all short cards. Oh man, look at these cards. I know you can't see them off camera, but I can see them, and they're pretty cool. Super Volt. I really like this one. I know it's a fantasy again, but it is like based on the actual Volt car, so that's pretty cool. The GM Volt, Chevy Volt, sorry. Rescue Duty. That's pretty nice looking. That'll be pretty cool on the track, and that bright color too. Look at this one, that 1971 Buick Riviera. That's pretty cool. I like this one, and that chrome interior. It's nice. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, we've got a boat. H2Go. I don't know how that one would work on the track with its wheels there. It looks a little bit wide for a regular track, but you never know. Probably not too bad. We might actually give it a go, see how it works. Then we've got Turbine Time. That huge chrome engine on the back there. Pretty cool. And that Cadillac Elmira. I don't know how to say that word. We don't have Cadillacs here in Australia, so let me know how to pronounce that. But this car is pretty nice, and that color, look at it. Whew, nice. All right, let's take a look at what's here. We've got that Honda S2000 in the Hot Wheels City Series. That's a nice version. I like this one. Then we've got Speed Dozer. Gee, that's pretty heavy casting. I can feel that in my hand, pretty heavy. These wheels are huge. We've got the 2008 Lancer Evolution. It's got a lot of detail on the side of this one. Looks really nice. I'm not sure if I like those blue wheels with the black. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And in the off-road series, I guess they're going for the rally car sort of aspect for that, because the Lancer Evolution does seem to appear in rally car racing. And then we've got the Great Gatspeed. Pretty cool. I like that one. All right, let's get into the next one. You can see there's another two of these in that box still. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Oh man. We got that 90 Acura NSX. Chevy Silverado. Beautiful casting, and this version is awesome. Look at it. It's not too overdone. That black and orange stripe on the side just really fits this car, and those wheels, so cool. And we got that 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. I actually like the Mustang Fastback, and you know, these yellow wheels don't go too badly with that blue color. Pretty cool. Got that 78 Dodge. Nice. Drift Star. That's pretty cool. And then we've got RD02. Hot Wheels Off-Road. Is that off-road? I don't know. It's very weird. What else have we got here? We've got that 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. Oh, it's got a bit of dust in the pack there. This is cool. Look at the color of it. This purple color is so cool. Let me know if you've got this one in the comments below. Now we've got that ice shredder, and we've got twin duction. And also in that pack we had the Corvette C7R. This is actually not a bad version of this car. I've got a few, but this one is pretty nice. I like that. Oh, it's the 2012 Ford Fiesta. Another weird one for the off-road series. I guess, again, the number there for a rally car. Vendetta. It's a pretty weird looking casting. And then we've got GT Hunter. I really like this one. And that blue base is pretty cool. It goes really well with that black. All right, now we've got Fast Fortress. Look at that. Man. There is X-Steam. Oh, man. Rip Rod. Pretty cool. Little version of Rip Rod there. Diesel Duty. So another fantasy, but it does look almost like it could be a production car, besides the big intake on the roof there. The silver Tesla Model S. Don't have this color yet. Very happy to have it. Those red wheels look pretty cool. Lots of details on the front there and on the rear. Nice. We've got a Volkswagen Caddy. I think that silver with the blue tint looks nice. Not too bad. All right, last pack in this 50 pack of Hot Wheels. The 71 Hemi Cuda. Beautiful red car, that one. The 68 Hemi Cuda, Barracuda. And the 78 Dodge. That's a lot of flame work on this one. Looks pretty cool. Got the Aston Martin Vantage GT3. That looks like a super awesome racing car. It is in the Hot Wheels race series there. Really nice. The Bentley Continental Super Sports. Beautiful car. And we've got a 67 Chevy C10, another one with a heap of flames on the side there. Actually looks really cool. Looks really nice. All right, last three. We've got Bully Goat in the Hot Wheels race series. And I like these when they're in the matte black with the Hot Wheels logo. Looks pretty nice. We've got a Bedlam and Epic Fast. So that is 50 pretty cool cars in this pack, and I can't pick one favorite. I don't know, there's just so many. So I think for me, I'm gonna have to pick a few, and definitely one of them is that Tesla Model S. Beautiful car. So that's one of my favorites. What else did I have here? Look at this one. The 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Another one of my favorites. And where is it? Here it is. The Bentley Continental Super Sports. And in that order as well, I think. I think that's the order we'll put it in my favorites from this pack. The Tesla Model S, the Bentley Continental Super Sports, and that 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. All right, big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget though, most importantly, you need to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. And I also want you to pick 3 cars from this 50 pack that are your favorites. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.